Great opportunity today to be down here at the school as part of NAIDOC week and with Uncle Mickey to learn a lot about Aboriginal culture. We're spending some great time with some of the students from a couple of the schools nearby. We've spent a whole morning with them so far, taking part in some art to make some cultural artefacts with the kids. It's a fantastic opportunity for all of us, the kids and ourselves as well, to learn about those cultural artefacts.
Okay, so we've got a NAIDOC week activity which BAE have been involved with a little bit of sponsorship and support of the program.
And we're engaging with the students here to share a cultural workshop with Uncle Mickey O'Brien.
Today is NAIDOC week, and today we're celebrating that with the students from the Fevre High School and the Seaton High School making wadnas, which we call boomerang, or what wadna represents is stick. And also today we're making gaddy whoppers, which are these things, meaning emu feathers on a stick. It was not only just a headpiece that you saw me wear, but it also was a game very similar to that of rugby.
To celebrate NAIDOC week, we have a couple of guests that are taking us through a tea blending workshop using only native plants and fauna. I think this is important for NAIDOC week to just really celebrate the First Nations culture, but also to educate us on
I think for us it validates the amount of engagement we have with the Indigenous companies around Australia. The spend across workplace services increased 15-fold. In conjunction with Intract and BGIS, we're offering a real opportunity out there to the Indigenous people, and I have to say that the work that they produce is absolutely fantastic, so it validates everything we're doing.
NAIDOC Week presents everyone with an opportunity to step in and show our commitment and our respect to the original landowners of our great nation. And it's just so fulfilling and worthwhile, and stepping back and seeing what a difference even small steps can make.
NAIDOC Week is important for me as we recognise Indigenous Australia and award the successful contribution they're providing.
Today's award was Intract's NAIDOC Award. Each year we award that to a business that we see to be doing good in the Indigenous space and really looking to develop Indigenous businesses.
Last year we've really recognised their commitment to Aboriginal business, and it's just fitting that NAIDOC 2022 that we can pay them back with an award that we think to us personally means a lot to recognise businesses like BAE that are a part of the solution.